Experiencing a device setup error when activating your Boost mobile phone can be frustrating, but let's break this down like a friendly teacher would. First, let's understand what activation means. It's the process that links your phone to Boost's network, so you can make calls, send texts, and use mobile data. Let's look at the most common causes. First, SIM card problems. Your SIM card might not be inserted correctly, could be damaged, or you might have the wrong size, like a standard SIM instead of nano for newer phones. Second, device compatibility issues. Your phone needs to be unlocked and support Boost's network bands. You can check this easily using Boost's online compatibility checker tool. Third, software glitches. These often happen when your device's operating system is outdated, the activation app crashes, or during high-demand periods like new phone releases when the network gets congested. Now let's look at some basic solutions. First, and simplest, restart your device. This can resolve temporary software conflicts that cause setup errors. Second, make sure your device software is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with Boost's activation process. Check for updates in your settings. Here are the key takeaways from this section. Remember to check your SIM card insertion and condition, verify device compatibility, restart your device for quick fixes, and keep your software updated. If these basic steps don't work, don't worry. The next section covers advanced troubleshooting and solutions for activation problems. If basic steps fail, start with advanced troubleshooting. First, check Boost Mobile's app or website for real-time help. Their AI-powered chatbots can resolve about 70% of common errors instantly. If you're using an older Android device, it may have compatibility issues with Boost's eSIM migration. Consider updating the firmware through Boost's portal if possible. For persistent issues, contact Boost Mobile support via the app or website for personalized assistance. In some cases, performing a factory reset on your device can clear conflicting settings, but remember to back up your data first. Be cautious of potential SIM swapping scams and use secure networks during activation. As a last resort, consider visiting a Boost Mobile store for in-person assistance. Remember, staying informed about recent outages or software glitches through Boost's official channels can help you anticipate and resolve activation issues more efficiently. Key takeaway: always check compatibility, keep software updated, and use Boost's digital support tools.